I am Rodrigo Duterte.
During the reading of the charges, bakit daw 43 lang yung cases? And in fact, ginagamit yan ngayon ng mga Duterte supporters. Sinasabi nila, nakakita nyo paano magiging crimes against humanity? Libo-libo sinasabi, ngayon 43 lang pala. What's your comment on that?
Those who destroy my country, I will kill you.
Trabaho kayo at ako ang managot.
There's a misapprehension of how international law works and even criminal law works. Sa atin kasi, if you allege that he killed someone, you need to prove that this someone is killed. And that's murder. But in crimes against humanity, the charge is widespread and systematic attacks on the civilian population. Hindi sinabing, how do you prove the attacks? Hindi sinabing you need to prove every and all of the attacks. You need to prove that they're widespread. And you need to prove that they're systematic. Mas ganon. Kaya itong 43 would be representative or emblematic cases that will paint a picture of how the killings have happened. Hindi kailangan na yung 30,000 ang i-present mo doon. And it has never happened in any prior proceeding that they've brought out more than 1,000 of people. All you need to do to connect all the other killings is have pattern witnesses. Okay? And even the insider witnesses, if they can say that, yung pattern witnesses will say that, oh, this is how many people have been killed, and most of them have been killed in this manner. This is what we've observed. The insider witness can also say, yung 43, hindi ko naman kilala kung sino yan eh. Probably lang ka. Or, I know only of the 40, pero hindi ko kilala yung 3. Pero, meron pang iba. And they can talk about yung insider witness is someone from within the organization that committed the crime. Pwede nilang sabihin na, ganito kasi talaga. Dapat i-round up mo yung mga able-bodied men na nagkalat paggabi. And hindi ko na mabilang yon. Pero that's the protocol. So if you can establish that, you don't need to produce who are these able-bodied men. As long as you can prove widespread and systematic attacks on a civilian population.
Etong 43, they include your clients?
Out of deference to the prosecutor, we cannot, disclose. We're not in a position to disclose the identities or either to confirm or deny the identities of the witnesses because these are probably, or dito manggagaling yung mga witnesses. And ingat na ingat ang ICC tungkol sa witnesses. Kaya mabanggitin ko lang din yung sa Zoom. Uso talaga sa ICC yung Zoom. Pero hindi para sa akusado. Para sa witness. I've seen some hearings where the witness appears remotely pero within the premises of the court. Katulad ni Duterte. Kaya for me, okay lang na nandun siya sa court. Kaya lang parang alapit na no? Pero kasi yung sa sitwasyon naman ng victim, baka matrigger sila. Pag pumunta sila sa courtroom, dun sila umupo, tapos ayun yung perpetrator. As much as possible, the court would like to reduce instances of re-victimization or re-traumatization para kumbaga mas maayos ang mga bagay-bagay. Kaya familiar ako dun sa online na ganun talaga yung presentation. Kaya lang, hindi ko in-expect din na si Duterte as the accused, kumbaga, or the suspect will appear online.
But can we expect a physical, in-person, confrontation in the court itself between Duterte and at least some of the victims?
Could be, yeah. If the victims will allow it and they're strong enough or mentally prepared for it, if the prosecutor will deem it necessary. Some victims testify also by recorded video. So testimony na lang yung maririnig, hindi mo na maka-cross-examine. Some victims give a victim impact statement. The victim impact statement is not meant to, influence the evidence or to add to the evidence, but it's a victim impact statement. Parang the victim is given the opportunity to talk to and address the court and the defendant. Kaya I'm seeing that probability, pero under the specific proceeding of a victim the delivery of a victim impact statement. Kumbaga, hindi sasagot yung kabila. Well, pwedeng pasagutin. Kunyari, magsusorry ka ba? Parang gano'n. Ito, hindi na to bahagi ng, hindi uso sa atin eh. Usually kasi, pag trial lang, gano'n. Pero ito, parang, can you say your piece? Victim, sige, kwento ka lang. Ihinga mo ang sama ng loob mo. Pwedeng gano'n. Without the intervention of a lawyer, without the intervention of the prosecutor.
Can we expect more victims? Can we expect more people to be added dun sa 43?
Yes, we could, kasi sabi niya doon, at least. And we would know before the confirmation of charges if they will add more. But if we think of this, yung incidents na yun yung propruwebahan sa korte. Pero there could be other victims. Kumbaga, iba yung itsura nito eh, na baka akala natin 43 counts lang. Hindi. There is one crime, crimes against humanity, per se, of course, may counts, pero there is one crime. And under that overarching premise is that there were other victims as well. These other victims have the right to participate in the trial.